think I messed up, but with these crafts, there's no wrong way to create. Okay, let's dive into our first craft. We're making paper plate animals. Step 1, grab a paper plate and some paint. Let your kiddos go wild with colors. Step 2, cut out some ears and glue them on. Easy, right? Step 3, draw or glue on the eyes, nose, and mouth. Ta-da! You got the cutest little animal. Next up, let's make some fun sock puppets. Step 1, find an old sock. Step 2, glue on some googly eyes and yarn for hair. Step 3, use markers to add a silly face. And there you go. Your new puppet friend is ready for a show. Last but not least, how about some homemade slime? Step 1, mix glue, baking soda, and food coloring. Step 2, add contact lens solution and stir until it's slimy. Done! Your slime is ready for squishy fun. Thanks for crafting with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun ideas. Bye-bye!